Hi, in this video, we are going to take a look at the key features of the Nokia 150. This phone comes with a rear VGA camera. It also has a detachable 1020 mAh battery. The Nokia 150 comes with a talk time of 19.4 hours and a standby time of up to 23.4 days. The phone comes with a 2.4-inch QVGA display. It has a resolution of 240 by 320. It has 4 MB of internal memory which can be expanded with a micro SD card. The Nokia 150 is a dual SIM feature phone that has FM radio, MP3 player, Bluetooth connectivity and a 3.5mm aux port. And those were some of the key features of the Nokia 150. Thank you for watching.